Have you ever looked at someone successful and wondered, why them? Why not me? What if I told you? The biggest reason is not talent, not money, not luck, not even intelligence. It's something so small that most people ignore it every single day. And here's the scary part. Right now, while you're watching this, one tiny habit may already be deciding what your life will look like 5 years from now. Yes, one small habit. Today, I'm going to tell you a story and reveal a simple truth that can completely change your future. But don't skip this video. Because near the end, I'll share one tiny daily habit that has changed the lives of millions of people around the world. Once you understand it, you'll never look at your daily routine the same way again. So stay with me. Let's begin. Every morning, two people wake up at exactly the same time. Both have the same 24 hours. Both have dreams. Both want success. But one becomes successful. And the other keeps asking, why is nothing changing in my life? What made the difference? Was it luck? No. It was their habits. Small habits. Tiny actions. Actions so small that nobody notices them. Imagine planting two seeds. One seed gets a little water every day. The other gets nothing. For the first few days, nothing happens. After 1 week, still nothing. After 1 month, it still looks almost the same. Many people give up here. They think, this isn't working. But nature is working silently. Roots are growing underground. One day, a small green plant appears. Then it becomes a tree. Success works the same way. You don't see results immediately. You see them after repeating the right habits for a long time. That's why successful people never fall in love with results. They fall in love with the process. Let's think about reading. If you read just 10 pages every day, at first, it feels useless. 10 pages? That's nothing. But after 1 year, you've read thousands of pages. You've learned ideas that most people never discover. Your thinking changes. Your confidence grows. Your life begins to change. All because of one small habit. Now think about exercise. You don't need to spend 3 hours in a gym. Start with 5 minutes. Just 5. Walk. Stretch. Move your body. Do it every day. Your body becomes stronger. Your mind becomes clearer. Your energy increases. Again. Small habits. Big results. Now let's talk about something dangerous. Bad habits. Nobody becomes unhealthy in one day. Nobody becomes lazy overnight. It happens slowly. One extra hour of scrolling. One excuse. One missed opportunity. One promise broken. Again and again. Just like good habits build your future, bad habits quietly destroy it. The problem is, bad habits give quick pleasure. Good habits give long-term rewards. Scrolling on your phone feels fun now. Learning a new skill feels difficult now. Eating junk food feels exciting now. Eating healthy feels boring now. But after months, everything changes. The easy choices become hard lives. The hard choices become easy lives. That's the hidden secret. Your future is created by today's repeated actions, not by your wishes. not by your dreams, by your habits. Here's another example. Imagine two friends. One saves just a little money every month. The other spends everything. For years. Nothing seems different. Then suddenly, one has financial freedom. The other has stress. Again, small habits. Huge difference. Many people wait for motivation. They say, I'll start when I feel ready. But successful people know something different. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. You don't wait to feel motivated. You start. Then motivation follows. If you don't feel like studying, study for just 2 minutes. If you don't feel like exercising, exercise for just 5 minutes. If you don't feel like writing, write one sentence. The hardest part is starting. Once you begin, your mind naturally wants to continue. Another powerful habit is gratitude. Every night before sleeping, think about 3 good things that happened today. Maybe someone smiled at you. Maybe you learned something new. Maybe your family supported you. This simple habit changes your mindset. Instead of focusing on what's missing, you begin noticing what's already beautiful. Happy people aren't happy because life is perfect. They're happy because they train their minds to notice the good. Now ask yourself, what habit is controlling your life today? Is it helping you or hurting you? Remember, your habits become your character. Your character becomes your destiny. No one wakes up successful. No one wakes up confident. No one wakes up disciplined. They build these qualities one day at a time, one habit at a time. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just change one small action. Drink one extra glass of water. Read one page. Walk for 5 minutes. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Learn one new word. Call your parents. Pray. Meditate. Smile more. Be kind. These tiny habits may look ordinary, but repeated every day, they create an extraordinary life. Now, I promised I would reveal one tiny habit that changes everything. Here it is. Every single day, keep one promise to yourself. Just one. If you promise to read, read. If you promise to wake up early, wake up. If you promise to exercise, do it. The size of the promise doesn't matter. Keeping your word does. Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build self-trust. And when you trust yourself, confidence grows, discipline grows, success becomes possible. Remember, your future isn't built in one big moment. It's built in thousands of tiny moments that nobody sees. The world celebrates the victory, but it never sees the daily habits behind it. Starting today, don't chase huge changes. Chase small improvements. 1% better every day. One good habit. One better decision. One step forward. Because one day, you look back and realize that the small habits you almost ignored were actually the biggest reason your life changed forever. So don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for next month. Start today. Start now. Your future is watching. And every small habit you choose today is writing the story of the person you will become. Thank you for listening. If this message touched your heart, remember this: small habits, big future. See you in the next video.